Hey guys, good morning, welcome to another live session of Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Let's get down to business here, guys.
In on US 30, sell, okay? I'm jumping in. Guys, that's a 100 pip drop. Yes, we caught it. Hey, guys, 200 pips, please, secure.
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFx, we have you covered. The future of Forex is zero commission. Here at AAAFx, we offer ultra-low commission, which starts at 99 cents per lot. Our account's spreads start from 0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HCMC Greece, compliant with ESMA. EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AFX, recommended by Stocksnipertrading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stocksnipertrading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Hey guys, what's going on? This is Dave from SST. Hope everyone's having a good day so far. I just wanted to do a trade breakdown and recap for you. We had a really good day in Discord. All right, we hit 4 for 4 trades that all hit TP. We traded EURJPY, GBPJPY, Nasdaq, and Dow. Okay, all trades sold. Okay, so we were in selling momentum today. Okay, today actually was the day that gold, started to fly bullish to around 2020. Okay, and we kind of had a feeling that maybe GBP JPY and then the Euro JPY, any JPY pair, were going to sell off. All right, and this is the setup that we had. All right, the Scalper Pro gave us an alert at a key level here. We have an hourly supply zone. All right, and then we have our entry, take profit, and stop loss set. And I'm just going to show you guys on Discord. Okay, right here, this was the trade. Okay, and it was sent at 6:30 in the morning. And then after, guys, there was the Nasdaq sell around 6:45, around 15 minutes later. Okay. So let's see how this trade played out. So you can see right here, bounced out of hourly supply. All right, trade broke down below structure with nice retest continuation and ended up falling throughout the day from 6:30 all the way, to around 12 or 1 p.m. before it had a little bit of a bounce out of demand. So guys, this took around, 2.5, maybe 3+ hours to complete. Remember, it's not an indice, so it doesn't go like 100 pips in 5-10 minutes. It can, but this is more of an intraday setup. Okay, so let's maybe break this down on our chart, and we already have some of it set up here. Okay, you can see here that the entry point was already kind of charted on here, marked, in the same with the supply zone. So let's take a peek at why we kind of looked at doing this. We'll move our Scalper Pro. Okay, and you can see to the left, guys. Okay, in this area at around 145.5, 145.4, we sold off. Okay, so right now I know that if we came back to this area or here, that we should be looking for selling pressure. Okay, which we did, and that was the trade we ended up taking today. All right, so you can see why we took this level, the entry for the breakdown of support to the left. Okay, let's just mark this up real quick. coordinate here. I had 145040. Okay, and you'll see, all right, this area to the left here was previous resistance, took a lot of volume, break, support was starting to get held in around March 31st. And then finally at around March 31st and 6:45, price broke down. All right, and then see the retest. Okay, the structure, a lot of top wicks here. And then finally the selling volume continued and we ended up selling off. Okay, so guys, we approached the same level here. All right, we have to be looking for the same type of setup. All right, and that's exactly what we look for, as I kind of repeating myself now. All right. So let's take a look at this trade. All right. Let's throw on the entry, the stop loss and take profit. Okay. We'll throw this on here. And I'm just going to take a quick copy and paste from the overall Discord. All right. 154040. Okay. And I'm going to use my take profit at 144040. Okay. And then my stop loss is 1455. Okay. So nice risk to reward. All right. Gives the trade time to breathe once we get into supply. All right. And, the take profit down here was beautiful because you can look to the left. Guys, we did have some buyers stepping in here in previous history. Okay. So that's why, take profit is set in a demand zone. Okay. And that's why we'd be looking to secure that trade around that area. All right. So remember, guys, let's throw on our Scalper Pro. All right, this is one of the main reasons why we looked for this setup. And let's start to break this down. Okay, so you can see here they get a nice little bounce out of our hourly supply. Okay, price rejects. There's probably some pending orders sitting here, waiting to be triggered. And probably, retail stepped in here, like people like us. And, we started to short. All right. Next couple candles. Okay, you can see price tried to make a dip in the supply area again. All right, and you can see there's a few wicks that are starting to show here. That means the sellers are still in control. In around this time, guys, I actually took one of my sell positions. You'll see on the screenshot. Okay, and I got in a little bit before our breakdown of structure. Okay, now if you got in with me, all right, you're looking good. Maybe running about 5, maybe 7 pips, depending on your spreading commission. Right, and then all of a sudden, you're right at the entry point. So this is where most people get a little bit confused, okay? Because they're like, it's finding support here. What is a candle that we want to look for? Okay. Well, for me, I would like to look for a breakdown through the support, a retest, okay, candle. So we know that the sellers are real. And then for something like a continuation to follow price to the downside. All right. Now let's see if this trade took place and played out. All right. So boom, sellers are there. All of a sudden, here's your break of structure. Okay. That's a large volume sell. Okay, so if you guys got in here, all right, this is an impulsive drop, and so you're probably like, Dave, where's the retest? Okay, well, right here. See how it retested, guys? You can see that the long wick, if I were to drag this over to the left, broke down, and then look at that close, indecision, and then we retested the entry point right here. Okay, so you could have got in there, all right, or maybe even on this next candle or at the candle of the previous support break. Okay, anywhere around in that area is good. Now remember, you have to accept the outcome before you get into a trade. Okay, and if you did get into this trade, you can see that price is starting to drop. Okay, we're starting to run, and then here's the volume stepping in. All right, now you're noticing some wicks to the left. Okay, this is previous structure. Okay, so let me just remove Scalper Pro for a sec just so we can see here. Remember, guys, look at the consolidation, right? This is where price started to have a follow through and it went bullish. We know that there's probably some buyers waiting to have their orders triggered, thinking the price is going to continue up and make a higher high. That's not the case of what happened. Okay. But again, if you were looking to scalp something like this, it's not even worth your time. Okay. Wait for the highs and lows to be, tested. And you can see what I mean by this type of structure right here. Candle. Here's your break. And here's the support, guys. Okay. Right here, you can see to the left, price broke down, found support, break. Okay. Previous resistance here. Finally, we broke, retested, price started to bounce, and then we started to walk. If this breaks this support, you're going to see a large volume candle step in. This is just people adding orders. And remember, we're already running, I would say, about 50 pips. Okay. So even if you took profit here, all right, there's nothing wrong with that. All right. But here's a little tip for you. Instead of just taking complete profit, you could seal 80%, 75%, leave a 25% runner. Okay. Or you could just move the stop loss to break even and it becomes a risk-free trade. All right. The only thing that would happen is if this came back and hit, stop loss is, you wouldn't be managing your risk properly. Okay. So let's continue here. If we break, let's see if it does. Price is holding. Okay. A little bit of buyer stepping in here. You got to expect that previous structure. And then all of a sudden, boom. Look at that big candle drop. Okay. That candle alone, guys, you can see the percentage that it is. Look at that. I told you we need large volume to break structure, and exactly what happened. Okay. Let's just throw on the Scalper Pro just so you can see selling signal. And all of a sudden, guys, if you trailed your stop loss, okay, if you moved your stop loss to break even, secured 25%, you're still running. Okay. Here's your retest, guys. Here's some buyers stepping in. All right. And remember, we talked about this. Okay. There are buyers in this area. Okay. But because of the volume, all right, we still have a little bit left to get. Okay. I think that the TP, you can see that this was the original position that the buyer stepped in. That to me is where, the take profit would be. All right. And all of a sudden, let's see if the sellers continued. All of a sudden, there it goes. Okay. So it broke down. Okay. Found some support at previous structure to the left. All right. Volume candle break. Price retested. Found some resistance now. And then all of a sudden, price started to drop. Okay. Now, you're saying, Dave, is this a good area to take your profit? Yes, absolutely. You can take your profit, beforehand. You can wait for it to be set and hit automatically. If you did, this is what it came out of it. You would have hit full TP, no problem. Okay. And remember, we talked about the buyer stepping into the left. Let's see if you were to hold this trade, what would happen? Okay, so we can see, guys, that there are some buyers in and around that area. This was near the end of the day, so the volume is very low. Okay, but this was a beautiful trade, guys, zone to zone. All right, we ended up selling at 145.040. Take profit was 144.040, and then our stop loss was 145.500. And this ran for a total of, you can see, around 106, 107 pips. And then all of a sudden, buyers stepped in at demand. Okay. So guys, if you like these types of trades, make sure to smash the like and subscribe button. We will do more of these. Like I said, I want to do a few more because, this today was very good. Okay. And if you guys want to join and be part of it, all right, let's just scroll up here. You can see Scalper Pro. Okay, here's your information on how to read the entries and then how we update it. Okay, and then if you would like to join, you can see here is the subscription button to click and join. Okay, guys, that's about it. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Like I said, I hope everyone had a good day trading today. We're going to be killing it live on our Zooms and our private Discord, as well as some free YouTube sessions for New York. Okay. So I look forward to seeing you then. God bless and peace out, guys. We'll see you soon. Later.